Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Cheryl. How are you doing? I hope you're doing well. So in today's video I'm super excited because I got in the mail, I ordered some acrylics from Modelones. I don't know if I'm pronouncing the name right, but I've seen them promoting their brand all over Instagram and Facebook, so I had to try it. They're really gonna cut the grass now? Really? And it got here pretty quickly. I thought this was a Hispanic brand, but it's not. It came from China and it came quickly. I'm surprised. So let me show you what I got, the colors that I got. I mean, have you tried this brand before? Let me know if it's good. I've just seen so many videos of it. It's this brand right here, but I've never tried it, and I think they have gel polishes and a whole bunch of stuff, but I was interested in the acrylics. This one's, where's the name? What's it? It has no name. It has no name, just a number, I guess. It says acrylic powder number 3. So I got 6 of those, different shades. I got glitter. I'm dying to try it out. So I bought those 6 colors. I'll show you in a minute. I bought the liquid. So I wanted to try out the liquid to the monomer. And I cannot believe they're cutting the grass right now. Do you hear that? It's literally right next to me. He's gonna get closer. This one right here, slow setting acrylic liquid monomer. So let's do some swatches. Oh, by the way, this came with this order. I guess since I bought a few things, they gave me a free kit, which brings, let me open this up, 100 and 180 file, the toe separators, and I love it because it's black. Hey, look how pretty that is. I'm so gonna use these. That's nice. And what else? Pedicure manicure tool. It removes UV gel easily, so I'll have to try these. I'll try them. And it's a cuticle pusher. So let's get into some swatches. Okay, so here's the liquid. I was trying to see if in the label it says if it contains EMA or MMA, but it doesn't say, so that's not, I'm curious about that. I'm gonna have to do a search on that. If anybody knows, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm gonna start with this one. The number's there. It just says powder 14. Let me open it up. Let's start with this one. It's a nice baby pink. It's a pretty pink. The consistency is pretty good. I have no problems with it. This is slow setting, so it gives you time to maneuver the acrylic and just have better time with it. try this one. Number 3. Now let's swatch some glitters. Let's start with this one first. 28. Oh, look how pretty that is. Look how gorgeous that is. $26. This one's 32. So I gotta say, I'm really impressed in terms of swatches. They swatch really easily. I had no issues with them. I will say that the monomer evaporates quickly, but that's something to keep in mind. It doesn't bother me. With monomers like that, you just have to get the big gallon so it can last longer. I'm so in love with this lilac glitter, which is this one. Oh, that's so beautiful. And this one and this baby blue. I really like them all. If you want to see me use them on my nails, let me know in the comments down below. That'll be fine with me. I'll be happy to do that, because the way you test acrylic is actually wearing them on your nails to see if they chip, if they crack, if they last, if they lift. That's how you know if it's worth it or not. But in terms of swatches, they swatch really nicely, so I have no complaints there, and the colors are very beautiful. They're pigmented, but not too pigmented. They're just the right amount. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it. If you liked it, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Give the video a thumbs up. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.